Band number 10, they're from Sirgar. They're called Medrano. They're a six-piece band from College Sirgar, create a cinematic atmosphere with the music that they play, rehearsing for the last few months. Looking forward to playing for you today. This is Medrano!
Thank you. Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. We are Medrano and we've got 3 covers for you tonight. We're going to start with Oscar-winning Tears by Ray, and I hope you enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to tell you about one of the many men. Name is irrelevant, height is irrelevant. He was a 1 out of 10, I wish that I knew it then. I'm still a copper brain. Truly I'm vulnerable, I love his sentiment. Quickly it opens up, I learned my lesson then. Thought I was safe again, though he was innocent. I was so wrong. I can't deny I was stuck in a daze, a terrible phase. Who was convincing though, very believable, the role that you played. So I'll take this front row seat. I'm ready, baby, you can go ahead. Cry those Oscar winning tears, popcorn and ice cream. Baby, baby, you can go ahead and cry those Oscar winning tears, baby. Oh, what a tragedy. It didn't have to be. Look how you talk to me. Cursing and blasphemy. Cinematography. Get this on camera, please. And no one gonna believe this. I can't deny I thought you the man, but you the plan. Why you lying for? Why you crying for? You did it again. So I'll take this front row seat. Baby, baby, you can go ahead and cry those Oscar winning tears, popcorn and ice cream. Baby, baby, you can go ahead and cry those Oscar winning tears. You can miss me with the bullshit. I can see right through your tears. Baby, 9 o'clock entertainment. Oh, man, I wish I could tape it. Sit down, no tissues, no string section, no tiny violin. For the last time, I'm your audience. I'll take this front row seat. Baby, baby, you can go ahead and cry. Baby, 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 would you really go ahead, or would you go ahead and just cry, baby, just go ahead and cry those Oscar winning. And after his Oscar winning performance, I left the room and never saw him again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed that song. We are Medrano. We've got Alfie over here on the drums. We have Gwyl over here on the keys. We've got Ben here on the bass. We've got Jacob on the rhythm guitar and Dylan on the lead guitar. I am your vocalist tonight. My name is Holly. Next we've got Glory Box by Portishead. I hope you enjoy. I'm so tired of playing with this bow and arrow. I'm gonna give my heart away. Leave it to the other girls to play. For I've been a temptress too long. Ooh, just give me a reason to love you. Give me a reason to this bow and arrow, I'm gonna give my heart away. Leave it to the other girls to play. For I've been adventurous too long. Ooh, just give me a reason to love you. Oh, baby. Just give me a reason. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed that one. Our next song is a song from a James Bond movie, Quantum of Solace, and it's the theme song actually. This is Another Way to Die by Alicia Keys and Jack White. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Thank you so much. That is all from us today. We only recently became a band, but we want to continue to do some more gigs and stuff. I make my own music personally. I'm performing at a festival in May at Focus Wales. If you want to buy tickets, you can go to their website to see me just by myself. But thank you so much. My name is Holly B, and you can find me on all streaming platforms. Thank you so much for your time.
Terrific. So the judges are marking for the final thing, which is on March the 16th, I think, when we'll announce which is like the winner. And it's not really a competition, but there will be some sort of winner. And there's a band competition. But I just want to make a unilateral decision, judges, and I hope this is all right. It's the prize for the smiliest lead guitarist of the day. Prize goes to Dylan. Woo! Never in doubt. Never in doubt. Okay. Let's have a look. Sam's got the microphone. One of the judges. What do you think, Medrano?
That was. Yo. Hello.
That's it. You got it. Fabulous.
Well done. That was really cool. I really, I appreciate that you all made the effort to really look like a professional show band, and that came across. It was some good song selection, and you nailed every song. So well done.
Fantastic, thanks, Sam. Then we go to Brooke.
Yeah, you came across as not just performers but entertainers as well, which is really good to see. You all brought your own energy. I really liked Oscar winning Tears, the lead singer Holly. You showed really good range in your vocals there. And the strings as well in the second song give me a bit of goosebumps. So well done, everyone.
Fantastic.
Give yourself a pat on the back.
Over to Simon.
Well, they definitely win the smartest band of the day. I can't remember the last time I wore a shirt and tie. Good to see. And color coordinated. I love the color themes. Great start. First song, bold. It's not easy to sing. You nailed that. Backed up with some really strong musicianship. You had a good choice of songs. There's energy throughout that. You totally smashed that stage. You're a versatile outfit, and I can see you commanding lots of interest from different kind of target audiences, more than just what we see in front of us here. So that wasn't just 3 songs, that was a proper show. Really well done.
Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. Okay. Medrano. So whilst Medrano leave the stage, so just to say right at the end, we got one more band left. At the end, we're going to ask everybody to come on stage. We're going to take a nice picture with the signed T-shirt as well. I'm not sure what we're going to do with the signed T-shirt, but it'll be there forever on social media. So.